sing for.
Welcome to Zizu's channel.
Uh-oh. I love you, Mommy.
We are in Milan. About to get our bags and take a drive to Como bags. Guess what? We over it. Damn morning flights be kicking our ass, bro, and getting a cab and all of those things.
Too hot again here.
Bruh, I'm kinda low-key want to go home, I swear. It's too hot. Welcome to Como. Ooh, look at the view.
Nice.
Oh my goodness. Look at all the stickers.
What's that? This is very nice. So it's called raw pasta.
Good? Alright. I'm just trying to check them.
The name?
No, like menu, what they're serving.
Yeah, sure.
Going outside is so much better than just eating at the hotel, to be honest.
The rice is boring. You always like home service.
I mean, when I'm tired, yeah, but I'm not tired.
Let me see the bride and the groom.
Here?
He wasn't there, but I
I love the vibe. It's so cool.
I can verify that.
So cool.
Yeah,
You guys wear glasses?
that's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
I think your view is nicer. Hi, we're ready.
Why didn't you know that?
Ah, nice.
I know they were friends.
Hello.
I saw her at Will's.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah, hold on.
That was a very
Drink this here.
I'm so glad I got my blue hat. My bow hat, my dress has a bow at the back. It's
Okay.
blue.
Okay.
So it's blue bow at the back, and I got the hat. It's also blue with the bow at the back. Lovely.
She was at another school and then
Let's try it.
she ended up dating.
Well, what are you gonna eat?
So let's do two.
Oh yeah, so Donnie said that's it.
Pomodoro.
Oh yes.
With meatballs.
Volunteer work as a
You like things with balls, don't you?
See. Let's try it. Okay, I'm done with my makeup and I am going to dress up now and we're gonna head to the boat and catch the sunset. This makeup is eating literally delicious.
Carlo.
That's Jonathan, my husband.
Jonathan.
Yeah.
Perfect. Hold on my hand.
Your turn.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Same here.
Perfect. Watch your head when you go in.
Yeah.
We're about to leave. So excited. Oh my god. Oh, our hotel is just a dream. Look at this perfect view. Sailing away, sail away. Good morning. We are about to go for breakfast. Look at this gorgeous view. And today we have pasta making class, which is perfect. That's perfect. Okay, going downstairs to have breakfast. And then get ready. The pasta class is at 11:30. So exciting. Okay, I'm here to show you guys our breakfast for today. Walking in, we have this gorgeous mirror right here. Buongiorno. And you walk in from there. The elevator is right there. Then you have this gorgeous waiting room. This is one of the boats we were on yesterday. I could just take it home. Don't take it home. Okay. Gorgeous pieces, and you always have the big beautiful doors or windows that just shows you the view outside. And this is all where the good stuff happens. All the food. Today is like a dessert going on. Truffle chocolate cake. Look at that. It's just wonderful. And look at this gorgeous chandelier. Just I could take it home too. I could take it home, I swear. We already sat on the other side. Yeah. Everything is delicious, to be honest. This is for daddy. I'm get mine. Some sugar. Coffee. And some milk. Perfect Americano for me. We are off to pasta making class. Ooh, I do good. Grazie, baby.
Yeah. So we're going to be making pasta, right?
Yeah, pasta today.
Yeah.
Wow. Cheers.
Cheers, thanks for coming.
Welcome.
So are you from Como locally?
This is my hometown.
Okay, beautiful. Yeah, I don't know.
I agree with you.
Yeah. See? We are so ready.
Yeah. We have to take 2 eggs. A little bit more? A little bit more? All the white here? Yes. This one is perfect. Yes. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, 1, see. 2 and half. See? Perfect. Joe, now is your turn. You have to mix the eggs.
Okay. So,
He only
All
makes
together?
tea.
okay.
Okay. Today new. Something new. Go.
Oh, so I need to do quicker?
See, if you can.
Okay.
I think you need to put it on you and go like this. Let me show you.
Like this?
Here, baby.
Okay.
Il papà come si esprimeva quando era in Africa?
This better? Okay. It's changing now.
Wow, she's a reaction. Hai visto come fa? Che brava.
Bravissima.
Sì. Brava. Now, John, add the mascarpone. You can do it now.
So I'll do...
Yes.
After you.
Brava.
Oh yeah. Sorry guys. I need to scoop it with a spoon.
La lecca.
I'm making a mess, yeah? So this is cheese or what?
No, it's not cheese. Now jump.
Huh? Just try to put it upside down.
See?
Okay.
Oh! Wow.
And this is ready, okay? Now, you have to add, see it's okay, Joe.
Okay.
You have to add the white and mix from the bottom to the top.
And the spatula.
With this one, we call in Italy marisa, spatula. Okay. Not, maybe not all together. Half, see? Okay, and then mix, see, from the bottom to the top is very important. From the bottom.
Oh, like scooping.
In this way. Exactly, yes.
Brava.
I don't know if hot sauce, I don't know.
Yeah, hot sauce, yeah.
See?
Yeah, hot
You
sauce.
want to add a little bit of this?
Yeah, when we're eating it. Yeah.
Ok, no, ascolta dentro.
I'm making a mess.
Yeah, no. We're done rolling the pasta. Now we're downstairs and look at this beautiful setup Simona made, and it's just gorgeous. Look at this perfect view.
Raise it up so that it will sit it.
Yeah. Amazing. Cheers to Como. Grazie. We made a pasta and it's delicious.
This one looks like the one I did. I'm the guy with the long.
Oh my god, your rolling was finishing me. It is our last evening here. Today we made pasta. We came back and took a full-blown nap. And now we are off to La Pasta again to have La Pasta for the last time. We really love the pasta there. And we're just gonna see around and take cute pictures. I'm wearing two-piece from Mango. Oh man, I need to tie my hair up. This is not working out for me. I'm gonna miss this view so much. Oh, and the weather this evening is so perfect. It's cool, windy, and it doesn't go with lip gloss. This was the first place we came for pasta, and it's going to be the last place we are coming for pasta. It's so delicious. I'm having penne arrabbiata with some bacon bits, and hubby is having this thing that he likes. I don't know. We are checking out of our suite and going to the airport. Holiday's over. It's Mooney's birthday today. We're trying to rush home. Going back to the coast. say hey guys because we are happy to go home.
How are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
Excited.
No.
When I'm in the kids now. Yeah. So give me the other bag so I take it.
No, it's fine. There's no.
You need something?
Yeah. Don't worry, you're not bothering me. I'm okay.
Thank you.
Pajamas. So excited to go home. I'm gonna sleep. But I'm excited to go see my kids. What are your thoughts on the trip? Did you have fun?
Huh?
What are your thoughts on the trip? Did you have fun?
Only had fun in Como. France was too bad. Paris, yeah.
Let's go change. Beautiful cabin, and I can't wait to have the full experience. It's literally a one-bed apartment. I had such a good sleep on this flight. I fell back asleep twice.
Hi. Hi. Something. I just want to check how's your flight today. Is everything okay?
Yes. Thank
See you again next time.
Sure. Thank you.
Yes.
Alright. Happy birthday